Hey everyone, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and today we are going to go ahead and go over my third week wallet rollover. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have a lot of change. I also had money that I found in the bottom of my purse. I'm not sure which of these envelopes it came from, so it's just going into the penny challenge. And I'm gonna set that aside. I think I have more change in here. I got put in my envelopes. So we had money left over from groceries. There's $5. Okay. Yes, there's more change. Okay, house had stuff left over. So there's $1, $2, $3, and $4 left in house. Thrift. Okay. Oh, I'll need to put that in fetch. 1, 2, and 3 in thrift. See, 5, 6, 7, and 8 left in fun. And oops, had $10. There's nothing in gas. So let's count this up. I had 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 10. So I had $30 left over this week. That's pretty good considering I rarely have anything left over on any week. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. Right, so going to my revolving binder, and groceries goes to grocery savings, which $7.19 plus 5 equals $5. House goes to household. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. Thrift goes to travel. There's 3. 1, 2, and 3. Fun goes to tech. Here is $8. $6, 7, and 8. Great, and oops goes into my savings challenges binder. Great, for the next savings challenges video. And I am actually not going to restuff my wallet except for the gas envelope. I have that set aside from when I did the last video with the money that I had pulled from my wallet in the first when I set it up. So I have to do a cash condensing before I can stuff my wallet, so that will be done off camera. So I am going to figure out what I need to do for the cash condensing, and that will be in the next video. Thanks for being here with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.